This is a 2022 KTM 390 Adventure, and if you are like me, doing your own maintenance, you are going to want to turn the service light off. I'm going to show you how to do that. It differs a bit from the earlier ones. So you turn your ignition on, and if your service light has come on, it will say service here in a yellow, in this yellow field. I'll just turn it off so you won't see it, but that's the way it is. It will say service here. So what you do is that you scroll down here, push set, and then you scroll down to settings, and you stay there. You don't go in on settings, you just stay there and highlight it. And then you push the up and down button simultaneously for a couple of seconds. And then you will come in here. You can see your service when it's time for the next service. So if I now use the set button here, every time I push the set button, the next interval for the service increases. So you can choose how long you want it to be for the next service. So set this to, in my case, 7,500 kilometers is the correct. See, there you have it. And then I hold the set button for a couple of seconds, and then it pops out from the menu, and then you just can back out and turn your ignition off. So now when you've turned your ignition on again, the yellow light with service won't be here anymore, because you have chosen a new service interval. So that's how you turn off your service light.